How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter, part number CAF1873P on a 2011 Honda Fit. First thing you're going to do is you're going to drop the glove box down. You're going to push in on both sides. There's rubber grommets that stop it. It's hard to do one-handed, and that'll drop it down. And inside here, you're going to use two hands, and you're going to push this side clip in and push this side clip in over here, and it should pop right out. There it is. Here is the old cabin air filter with 90-some thousand miles on it, and then here's the new one. Big difference. And all you're going to do is you're going to grab your housing. You're going to see how it says airflow down. You're going to match that up with the filter so the airflow goes down. You're going to drop her in, take it back over here, and we're going to line it up, and we're going to push it in. And that's that. You take your glove box, squeeze your sides up. There you go. 2011 Honda Fit cabin air filter.